Okay, good morning, sir. Very good morning, everyone. Turn on camera, please.
Good morning, sir.
A very good morning,
Good
Johan.
morning, sir.
Anna, good morning. Good
Sir, my
morning.
laptop's a bit slow. Can I turn on my video a little later?
Okay.
Thank
Okay,
you.
now listen, guys. Yesterday we have this question tan A upon 1 minus cot A plus cot A upon 1 minus tan A is equals to 1 plus sec A dot cos sec A. Okay? This is the question we have. Now, what I did, I wrote this cot A as cos A upon sin A. Okay? And I wrote this tan A as sin A upon cos A. Any problem in that? Hmm? No problem. Now, 1 minus cos A upon sin A. I just take the LCM. Now, how do I take LCM? I told you many times, like this sin A will multiply with both. So, like it will become sin A up minus cos A upon sin A. Understood? Yes? In the same way, 1 minus sin A upon cos A. I take the LCM, so it will become cos A minus sin A upon cos A. Understood? Here. Like you can see that sin A minus cos A upon sin A, cos A minus sin A upon cos A. Understood, guys? Everyone? A for Anna?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, this sin A will multiply with the numerator of the first fraction because when you will do reciprocal, you will do like this only. Okay. So this sin A will multiply with sin S, it becomes sin square A, and cos A will multiply with cos A will become cos square A. And this cos A will multiply with this, it becomes cos A into sin A minus cos A. And sin A will multiply with this, it becomes sin A into cos A minus sin A. Understood? Means what I did, this sin A, I multiplied with this, and this sin A minus cos A, I multiplied with this cos A. Understood? Like, for example, if you will write 2 upon 3, you will write 2 upon 3 divided by 5 upon 4. So this 4 will multiply with this, making 8, and this 5 will multiply with this, making 15. Okay, this is the shortest way. Like if you want to do longest way, so can I write like this? 2 by 3 divided by 5 by 4. Okay, now I have to do reciprocal. So it become 2 by 3 multiplied by 4 by 5. It becomes 8 by 50. So this is the shortest way. Like this 4 multiplied with this numerator, and this is multiplied with this. But if you will do longest way, you will also get the same answer. So in the same way, when I was solving this, so I did some short way. How this sin A I multiply with this sin A, making sin square A, and this cos A I multiply with this cos A, making cos square A. Understood, guys? Yes or no? Everyone understood? A for Anna.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now, Sin square A upon cos A into sin A minus cos A. Minus cos square A upon sin A into sin A minus cos A. Okay. So what I did now it is in the form of A square minus B square. Okay, but the problem is there is no common denominator, like the denominators are not same. So what I did, here you can see that sin square A plus cos square A was there. But in denominator, what is there? Cos A minus sin A. Here is sin A minus cos A. Here is cos A minus sin A. So what I did, I take out minus sign as a common. So if I will take out minus sign of as a common in this term, so what it will become? The plus will become minus, like here, and the minus will become plus. Understood? Yes or no?
So I didn't get that, sir.
See, here it like the denominator. What's the problem in the denominator is if you multiply the whole denominator, it will become very big. So for that, I did a shortcut. What? See, here it is sin A minus cos A. Listen, Hannah. Here it is sin A minus cos A, and it will become cos A minus sin A. So what I did from these two terms, I take out minus as a sign. So this plus cos A will become minus cos A, and the minus sin A will become plus sin A. Why I did this? So that I can get sin A minus cos A, sin A minus cos A in a denominator. Understood? No. Still didn't understand.
Understood, sir.
Okay. Now, when I take out minus as a common, so I just multiply this plus with this minus, making minus. Understood?
So,
Yes,
sir,
sir.
take out the minus and it'll go with the numerator and the denominator both.
Sorry.
So, like in the previous step, when you take out the minus, for the next
Mm.
step, also the numerator will have the minus. So if that's why it becomes minus.
Yeah, the minus sign which I take out from this, okay. So it will multiply with the numerator plus, it will become minus. Plus into minus is minus, and that's it.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Now what I did, 1 upon sine a minus cos a, I take out as common, like here. Okay. Now sine square a minus cos square a. Okay. Now now I can multiply it. So sine a will multiply with sine square a, making sine cube a, and cos a will multiply with this cos square a, will become cos cube a. Understood? No. Yeah. And the denominator will become cos a dot sine. Now a cube minus b cube. The identity of a cube minus b cube is the identity of a cube minus b cube is a minus b into a square plus b, ab plus b square. So what I did, a cube minus b cube is there. So I wrote like a is sin a, b is cos a, sin a minus cos a, and then bracket में a square which is sin square a plus ab plus b square. Now this sin a minus cos a and this sin a minus cos a which I take out as common, I just cut it. Now a sin square a plus cos square a will become 1. Sin a dot cos a was already there. Now I separated their denominator like 1 upon sin a dot cos a and plus sin a dot cos a upon sin a dot cos a. So this will become 1, and 1 upon sin a is cos a k, 1 upon cos a is sec a. So sec a dot cos a k plus 1 is equal to r. Did you understand, guys? No. Now I want you to do now again without seeing the code. Like this page will be open, write the question, do it again. Okay, and where you don't want help, you can do it. Because this question is important at the examination point of view. Okay? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Quickly write it down. Yes, Joshua. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
You were sleepy?
Oh, sorry, sir. I was late. I
Oh,
had to go out.
you were out?
No, sir.
So okay. When you're coming? Joshua, when you're coming to India? Hello? Quickly do it. 3 more minutes left. Quickly do it.
So, could you
Yeah.
explain the last few steps, the ones you wrote in brown? I didn't get that.
Okay. See, now it is a cube minus b cube. Yeah.
Okay.
Can I write a cube minus b cube as a minus b into a square plus ab plus b square?
Oh, okay, okay.
So now here a cube and b, so I compare it, then a is sine a and b is cos a. So I just put this value into this formula, become sine a minus cos a into sine square a plus sine a dot cos a plus cos square a. Now this sine a and this sine a, which I take it as common, I just cut it. Now a is this sine square a plus cos square a become 1. Sine a dot cos a is sine a dot cos a, like this.
Okay.
Tell me when you're done. Jehovan, are you doing?
I finished writing, sir.
You finished writing. Okay, good. Without seeing or with seeing?
Same.
Hannah, where you struggling?
I can't remember the last, which is the last part, so I looked there. When you divided the 1 plus 1 upon sine into cos a plus other part that you cancel out. So that part I'm looking into writing, and the rest
Okay. Okay. So now we'll do the next question. Okay. Now the question is, if tan 4 theta plus tan square theta is equal to 1, Then prove what you have to prove then? Cos 4 theta plus cos square. Okay, now this is the question. If tan 4 theta plus tan square theta is equals to 1, then what we have to prove? We have to prove that cos 4 theta plus cos square theta is also 1. Okay, now this is the different type of question. So how we will do this? See, tan 4 theta. Okay, can you take out common? Like I will write this tan 4 theta plus tan square theta is equals to 1. So I will take out common between these two terms. So what is the common? The common is tan square theta. And if I will take out tan square, it becomes tan square theta plus 1 equals to 1. And I can write like this also. Okay. Now, this is in the multiplication. Then it will go the other side to become divide like this. Now, 1 plus tan square theta can be written as sec square theta, and this can be written as 1 upon cot. No, not 1 upon. Can be written as cot square theta. And now, sec can be written as 1 upon cos square theta, and this can be written as cos square theta upon sin square theta. It will go on and multiply. So it will become sin square theta is equals to cos 4 theta. Now it can be written as 1 minus cos square theta is equals to cos 4 theta, and this will go become 1 is equals to cos 4 theta plus cos square theta. Okay, now listen, guys. What I did. See, now this is the question, right? The question is saying if tan 4 theta plus tan square theta is equals to 1, then we have to prove this. Okay, what we have to prove? Cos 4 theta plus cos square theta is equals to also 1. Okay, understood? Now what I did, listen guys carefully. First of all, this is the term. I just take out tan square theta as a common. Now from this, if tan square, it's 4 theta is there, like 4 power s power 4. If I will take square as a common, then what will remain behind? Only square. Understood, Jahuan? Anna? Yeah? Anna? Jahuan? Everyone understood? H for Hannah, pay attention here only. Okay. Now 4 is there, the power is 4 is there. Out of this, 2 is out. So 2 will remain. Now whole tan square theta is out. So what will remain? Only 1 will remain. Understood, Joshua? Joshua, what I did you understand?
Sir, could you explain
Yes.
again? I left
See,
the network.
see, tan 4 theta plus tan square theta is equals to 1. This is given. Okay. Now I take out tan square theta as a common. So this is tan 4 theta is there. I take out tan square theta as common. So what will remain behind? Tan square theta. Because 4 out of 4, 2 is out. So 2 will remain behind. Yes or no?
Okay.
Okay. Now here tan square theta, the whole tan square theta is out. So nothing is left. If nothing is left, then I will write 1. Yes or no? Everyone, please pay attention. Now this is tan square theta. X multiplication with this number. So now I will send this tan square theta to the other side equals to become divide like this. Can you see that?
Yes, sir.
Yes. So 1 plus tan square theta is equals to 1 upon tan square theta. Yes or no? Now 1 plus tan square theta, what is the identity H for Hannah? What is the identity of 1 plus tan square theta? H for Hannah.
I understood, sir.
No, I'm saying what is the identity of 1 plus tan square theta?
Sec square theta.
Okay, sec square theta. And 1 upon tan square theta can be written as A for Hannah.
Cot square theta.
So it means that I got this relation which is sec square theta is equals to cot square theta. Now sec square theta can be written as 1 upon cos square theta and cot square theta can be written as cos square theta upon sin theta. Now I just do the like this in division. If we go and multiply, it becomes cos 4 theta. And this is in division. If we go this and multiply, it becomes sin square theta. So now I change the value of sin square theta, which is 1 minus cos square theta. Now this minus cos square theta will go other side equals become plus cos square theta. So I just wrote cos 4 theta plus cos square theta is equals to 1. Understood, guys? No.
So,
Yeah.
is it cross multiplication or something? The one
Yeah,
by
it's
cos.
like it is in division form. When it will go other side equals to, it will multiply.
Okay.
And here is also division form. When it will go other side equals to, it will multiply.
Oh, that's why it's cos raised to 4 theta.
Yes, because cos square become cos 4. Okay. Understood, Joshua? No.
Yes, sir.
Okay. A for Anna. Did you understand?
Yes, sir.
Quickly write it down. Can I write this?
1 minute, sir.
Sir, I'm kind of confused with when in the brackets you put tan square theta plus 1 and then you kind of swapped it 1 plus tan square theta. In the previous question also you did that, but I'm confused how you do it.
See, 2 plus 3 is 5. 3 plus 2 is also 5. So you can separate because both are in plus term. No,
Yeah, but if it's like minus term,
no minus term, then no. Sir. Okay. Joshua, you wrote now?
Yes, sir.
Now next question. If cos theta minus sin theta is equals to root 2 sin theta, then show that cos theta plus sin theta is root 2 cos theta. We have to solve this. Okay. So now it is given that cos theta minus sin theta is root 2 sin theta. Okay, what is given? It's root 2 sin theta. Okay. So now the solution part, please pay attention. Okay. Don't go here and there. Okay. Yeah. So what I will do, I will take this value. So which is given as cos theta minus sin theta is equals to root 2 sin theta. Okay. Now I will send this minus sin theta to the other side equals to. It will become root 2 sin theta plus sin theta. Now what I will do, I will take out sin theta is common. So it will become root 2 plus 1. Okay. Now I will send this thing to the other side equals to. It will become cos theta upon root 2 plus 1 is equals to sin theta. Now, 1 minus 2, 1 minus 2, no, it's okay. Now, what I will do, I will do the rationalization of root 2 plus 1. So as I told you, if root 2 plus 1 is there, then I have to multiply it by root 2 minus 1 because the rationalization is we have to opposite the sign. It equals to sin theta. It becomes cos theta into root 2 minus 1 upon. Now it is in the form of a plus b, a minus b. It becomes a square, which is root 2 square, minus b square, which is 1 square. Okay? It equals to sin theta. Now, cos theta into root 2 minus 1 is equals to sin theta upon 2. Root 2 square is 2 minus 1. Okay. Now this cos theta will multiply with both the numbers, which become root 2 cos theta minus cos theta upon 1 is equal to sin theta. Now root 2 cos theta is equals to sin theta plus cos theta. I think this we have to do. Okay, I
So,
will explain it again. Sorry.
you put by 2 minus 1, and then the next step, there's only 1.
Okay, I'll explain it again from starting. I will. Now listen. This is I took this value cos theta minus sin theta is equals to root 2 sin theta. I send this minus sin theta to the other side equals to become plus sin theta. Yes or no? Okay. Now I take out sin theta as a common here. So what will remain behind? Like if sin theta is out from this, only root 2 will be there. And if this sin theta is out, then only 1 will be there because nothing is understood, guys? Yes or no? Okay. Now I send this root 2 plus 1, which is in multiplication with sin theta, to the other side equals to become 2y. Like this. Equals to sin theta. Any problem till here? Joshua, Jehoan, Anna, Hannah? No problem? Okay.
Sir,
Now, yes, sir.
you wrote sine theta as 1.
Where?
The 2 root of 2 sine theta plus sine theta.
Yeah,
Then-
because this sin theta is out now, I take out common. So because with this sin theta, no coefficient is there or no other values are there. So if nothing is there, then 1 will come.
Okay.
I take out like if I will take out sin theta is common. So like I will just doing the one example. Like if I will take out sin theta is common, then this will be out, and from this will be out because sin theta is taken as common. So if from this root 2 will be there plus and nothing is there, then always 1 will come. So that's why plus 1. Understood?
Okay.
Okay. Now this is root 2 plus 1. It go other side to divide. So cos theta upon root 2 plus 1 is equals to sin theta. Now I did a rationalization. Now what is rationalization? Rationalization is the process in which denominator is rationalized, in which if plus is there, then I multiply it by minus both the sides. Understood? Numerator and denominator. Guys, please pay attention. Okay. Now cos theta into root 2 plus root minus 1 and This is the form of a plus b and a minus b become a square minus b square. Understood, guys? A for Hannah, H for Hannah. Any problems in here? Okay. Now cos theta will multiply with both the numbers, so become 2 root cos theta minus cos theta. 2 root cos theta minus cos theta equals to sin theta. Now this minus cos theta will equal to plus cos theta. So 2 root cos theta is equal to sin theta and cos theta. That thing I have to do.
So how do you know when to do what? Like you're moving it to the left and right. Like how do you know when?
See, this question is not proved. What is this question is? You have to show if this is this, then you have to solve the another one which is given. Like for what is given, like if this is this, then you have to prove this and this. So you can in this question you can use LHS and RHS in everything. Like when we are doing proof one, we will not solve LHS and RHS simultaneously. But in this question, we can solve simultaneously because we have to prove another thing, not from that. Understood? And how do you know that you will multiply with this and this? It will come only but through the questions. Like you have to do different questions, and when you will get used to of that question, then you will know that okay, this question, okay, we have to do this like this. You got it down. Then I will give you one question. So now the questions it is your homework, and then we will have class. I guess on Wednesday as a doubt class of this chapter. Okay, so you have time till Wednesday. Like today is Friday, so Wednesday we will take all of your doubts of this chapter. So till then you have to do a lot of homework. Okay,
You have to complete all the index questions, right?
all the in-text, terminal, everything. Till Wednesday I'm giving time. So Wednesday there will be doubt class, so you can ask me question on Wednesday for this regarding this chapter. Monday, we will start a new chapter, the next chapter of this trigonometry, which is application of trigonometry. That was very easy chapter. Honestly, I'm saying it's very easy chapter. Okay, but it's conceptual. It's not that this arithmetic like doing this and this and this. No, this is conceptual like application. So it's very easy chapter. We'll do revision again so that Abigail can also understand that chapter, and then we will solve this. That is very easy question. Like if you will get the concept, click your concept, make the diagram, you will get the answer. Okay, I'll give you one question and then we'll end this maths class and we'll start a science class because science class is not regular. That's fine. So yeah, this is the question for you guys. Okay, this is the question. We have to find the value of sin A plus cos A whole square minus 2 sin A dot cos A. Like the answer will be 0, 2, 1, 10. What you have to find. Quickly do. I'm giving you 2 minutes to do it, then I will do it. And in case you have to open the bracket. The sin A plus cos A whole square. No, you're not getting Hannah?
I got the answer.
Uh-huh. That much easy, is it? What's the answer? Just show the gesture.
I got the answer, sir.
Okay, what's the answer? Just show the gesture.
So gesture meaning what?
Like fingers, first, second, third, fourth, like this. Okay, good. A for Anna, you got the answer?
Yes, I'm just checking if I got it right.
Okay. Joshua, you got the answer?
I'm doing so.
Anna, what's your answer?
What's it?
What is your answer?
The first one, it's 0, right, sir?
No.
And I just got confused in between.
The answer. See where you did mistake.
Actually, sir, I got that, but then I got confused in between, and then I just made it 0.
Wow, that's great. Okay, now you understood? Yes, Anna? Did you understand? Okay. So now this is the end of this chapter as well as this class. Okay. Congratulations. We will have doubt class on Wednesday. Mark the date. Monday we will start trigonometry with the application of trigonometry. And till then, I hope you enjoyed the class. Goodbye. Have a nice day. Signing off. Anna. And you guys come with 4 minutes with the science class.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Bye. Okay, everyone come. Quickly come. Okay. Good morning, Jashram. Okay, now yesterday we were doing about noble configuration. So yesterday we will learn more about it. So first of all, Jashram, do you know what is electron, atom, protons, and neutron? Do you know that?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So electrons are the negatively charged particles that always revolves around a nucleus. Yes, like they always revolves around the nucleus. Now, in a shell, Jaswan, do you know that in between its nucleus, then which shell and then which shell will come? Do you know that?
Kind of.
Yeah. What is the first shell then? Jahovan, what is the first shell name?
K shell,
Very good. K shell.
L shell,
Then M. So
and
like this, the electronic configuration when we will ask you, na, so it will be arranged in this way only K, L, M, and O like this. It will be. Okay. In K cell, maximum two electrons only you can fill, not more than two. Okay. In L shell, maximum 8 electron you can fill. In M shell, maximum 18 electron you can fill. Now we will understand what do you mean by octet rule. So Jashron, do you know what is octet rule?
Yes, sir.
Can you tell me?
Octet rule is a rule that a stable electron for an electron to be stable, it must have it must have 8 electrons in the last shell, the outermost shell.
Very good. So octet rule is a rule in which the in outermost shell electron should be 8 in number. Okay. So then if this is fulfilled, then it is most stable. Now yesterday we were doing why atoms wants to combine, why they want to make bonds with them. So if I will talk about Na and Cl, okay. Now Na atomic number is Hannah. What is the Na atomic number?
Is it 11?
Yes. So the atomic number is which is denoted by Z is 11. So Joshua, how many number of electron will be there? If 11 is the atomic number, Joshua, are you there? Joshua, can you hear me? No, he's not there. Okay. Jehovan, if 11 is
Yes,
the.
sir.
Yes, Joshua.
Can you hear me?
Yes, I can hear you now.
Mm.
So tell me, if atomic number is 11, then what will be the number of electrons?
Sir, I didn't understand.
If atomic number of an atom is 11, then how many electrons will be there? You didn't read that chapter?
This is
Yeah, tell me. What are you saying? Yes, Joshua, tell me what you're saying.
mm,
No idea?
no, sir.
Revise that, okay? Revise the chapter number 5. Okay?
I
Okay,
wasn't able to
Jehovah.
read the chapter because I can't take the printout.
Then you will become very behind, no? Like you have to do revision a lot better.
Okay.
Okay. Spend time in revision, please. So, Jehovan, tell me,
What is the question, sir?
if atomic number is 11, then what is the number of electron?
11, right?
Yes. So the number of electron will be 11, 2. Okay. Now, Hannah, how many electrons will go in K shell? In K
Two.
shell, 2 electron will go because the maximum capacity of K shell is 2 electron only. So 2 will go. Okay. Now, in L shell, 8 electron will go because the maximum capacity of L shell is 8 electron. So total it becomes 10 electron, but we have to arrange 11 electrons. So in M shell, 1 electron will go. Understood? Jehovan, Jeshron? Yes or no? How I arrange the electrons in the table? Hannah? Did you understand, Hannah? Okay.
Yes.
Now, if I will talk about chlorine, so Hannah, what is the atomic number of chlorine?
I don't remember, sir.
Okay, good, good. It's 17. Okay, how much? It's 17. So, if 17 is the atomic number, then what is the number of electrons, Jashram?
17.
Yes, 17. In K shell, now Jashram will give me the electronic distribution of electron in K, L, and M shell. Yeah.
K shell has 2 electrons, L
Yes.
shell has 8 electrons, and M
Yes.
shell will have 7 electrons.
Okay. Now I will ask question from Jehovan. Jehovan, are they in octet rule? Are they more stable?
No,
No. Why they are not more stable? Not in stable state?
because they do not have 8 electrons in their own.
Yes. So in Na, the outermost shell is this one. Okay. The outermost shell in Na is this one, and in chlorine is this one. So it doesn't have 8 electrons. So now I will ask question from Hannah. Hannah, what can Na do?
Na will give Cl one electron, and then they'll both be stable.
Okay. See, if Na will give this one electron to anybody, like if Cl I'm making compound, so Cl. Okay. But here, if Na give one electron, then this M shell will degrade. This will degrade. And what will remain behind? L shell. And L shell has 8 electron. Yes? And this chlorine has 7 electron. If you will get 1 electron from outside, then 1 plus 7 becomes 8, become the 8 electron, most stable octet rule complete. So what Na can do, Na will become Na plus charge, plus 1. Why plus 1? Anybody can tell me the answer? Why plus 1? Jashron, why plus 1? Na will become why plus 1? No idea? See, Na is ready to give 1 electron. Now, electron is negatively charged particle and he wants to remove negativity from his body. So, become plus charge. And 1, because only 1 electron is donating. If 2 electron is donating, then become plus 2. So, Na will become Na plus 1 when he will give 1 electron out. Understood? And chlorine will become chlorine negative. Why? Because he will take the electron which is released by Na. Chlorine will take it, making chlorine minus 1. Now, these will like Na plus 1 and chlorine minus 1 is responsible for the making of a compound called as NaCl, which is sodium क्लोराइड और we can say देश का नमक, टाटा नमक और टेबल सॉल्ट. Understood? Yes or no? Okay. So why they want to make combine the atoms? Because they want to be in the most stable state. Now they are the most stable state. Why? Because Na+1 means no electron in the M shell, becoming the octet rule, and the chlorine -1, he take electron, he take negativity. That's why it becomes 8 electron in M shell, more stable. So now they become, so every atom wants to be more stable state. That's why they combine to form compound. Understood? Yes or no? Write it down quickly. Just Joshua, did you understand?
Oh, yes, sir. It
Quickly write it
loses
down.
one electron, right?
Yeah,
DNA.
sodium will lose one electron because he wants to be octet. And if he will lose one electron, then M shell has 0 electron. It will degrade. And in L shell, 8 electron is there, more stable. Yes. And in the same way, chlorine has 7 electrons. So what the Na releases, chlorine will take that electron to become negative, chlorine negative, so that become the most stable. Like chlorine negative means one electron he took, which is 7 electron he had. Now if one electron he takes, it become 8 electron, more stable, compound form, and they become very stable.
So it has more proton, right?
No, proton will be like the number of like 17 only. The proton, it's depend. Proton has no roles in that. Only electrons has roles of the transferring from one element to another element.
Okay.
If you add it down. Okay, done. Done. Shall I raise this?
Yes.
Okay. So Okay. So why do elements combine? We got the answer. Why the elements combine? Because it is found that the noble gas, namely helium, argon, krypton, xenon, radon, did not react with any element to form compound because they are non-reactive. Why they are non-reactive? Write this answer because they have their octet configuration. Octet configuration means in their outermost shell they have 8 electrons. That's why they never react with anybody, or if they react, it should be the extreme condition. So they they are more stable in state only. They are most noble configuration only. That's why they do not react with anybody. Did you understand? Like you can see that except helium, they have 8 electrons in the outermost shell. So now you will ask that, sir, why helium is also noble gas if they doesn't have 8 electrons? So helium has basically the atomic number of helium is 2 electrons. Now 2 electron means in K shell all 2 electron will be filled. So this is called as duet rule. So helium follows duet rule and rest will follow the octet rule to become a noble configuration. Understood, guys? Yes or no? Yes. Now, atoms are held together by the force of attraction, which result in the chemical bond. The formation of chemical bonds result in the lowering of energy less than the energy of individual. See, you can understand it like this: that if energy of an atom is less, then they are most stable. If they have less energy, then they will have good stability. So why they combine? So that they will have less energy, and when they will have less energy, they will have most stable state. Understood, guys? Yes or no? Okay. Now we will learn about there are two types of bondings are there. Okay. Chemical bonding are of two types. First is ionic bond, and the second is covalent bond. Now, ionic bond is basically the formation of ions. Like I told you just now, we did Na+1 and chlorine -1. This is the ions which we have formed. Now, basically, there are two types of ions are there. The one who have positive charge are called as cations, and the one who has negative charge are called as anions. So basically, there are two types of ions which are formed makes the ionic bond. So it means that the previous, like just now in whiteboard, with which we make base ka namak, tata namak, salt, in that the bond between them is ionic bond. Ionic bond is also called as electrovalent bond. It is also called as electrovalent bond. Why electrovalent bond? Because there are two ions are formed, or there is a bond between metal and non-metal. So ionic bond is the bond which is formed because of the ions. Ions may be cations and anions. Now, Jashron and Johan, tell me which is cation and which is anion. +1 is cation and -1 is anion. Understood, guys? Joshua, did you understand?
Yes, sir.
So an element
Yes.
with a positive valency is a cation.
Sorry?
An element with a positive valency is a cation.
Yes. Okay. Those who have positive valency. Now, positive valency means they always lose electrons. So it means that cations always lose electrons. They always lose electrons. Okay, and anions always gain electron. Okay, they love negativity. Now, just now we did sodium has atomic number 11. Then we can write the electronic configuration as 2, comma 8, comma 1. Why I wrote 2, comma 8, comma 1? In K shell, 2 will go. In N shell, 8 will go. And in M shell, only 1 electron will go. Okay. Now, the electron will lose from the sodium to become 10 electrons. Okay. 10 electrons is called as sodium cation, which is Na plus 1. Understood, guys? Yes or no? Any problem in that? No. Okay. Chestron, do you have any problem, beta? Okay. So here you can see that the Na, one electron which Na wants to lose, it will give to the chlorine to have plus one electron, making 8 electron, like you can see here, so that the bond देश का नमक टाटा नमक can be formed. Okay, understood, guys? Yes or no? Okay. Now, the sodium will also have noble configuration. You can see that in outermost shell only 8 electron is there. The chlorine also has outermost shell only 8 electron is there. They have less energy, becomes more stable. Okay, they become more stable as the ionization of the sodium atom to give sodium ion energy is this much. So basically, the anion and cation bond which is formed is called as electrovalent bond or ionic bond, as we learned, and the bond between them is very, very, very strong. Like you need a lot of temperature. It should be written as like this. Where is that? Where is that? 144. I guess it should be there. Like it's very high temperature you need to to separate sodium and chlorine. Very, very high temperature because they have the most stable bond. That's why it's very, very difficult for them. Yes or no? No. Okay. Now, ionization of sodium atom to give sodium ion requires an energy. So basically, what is anion? The negatively charged particle is called as anion. Here's the definition. And the positively charged particles are called as cation. So this is anion and this is cation. And the force between them is called as ionic bond or electrovalent bond. Understood, guys? Yes or no? Everyone turn on the camera, please. Did you understand, guys?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So I'm giving you 2 minutes to read till page number 140. From page number 139 to page number 140. Quickly read it. Quickly read page number 139 and 140 in 2 minutes. Quickly. Okay, done. Everyone done? Okay. Now, now we will learn about this. Okay, this is not that much important, but you should have information like this. Like you can see that each sodium atom is surrounded by six chloride ions, and each chloride ions is surrounded by six atoms. So basically, you can understand it like this. Yes, Johan.
Sure. Well, leaving someone 496 kJ mole raised minus 1. What does that mean?
Where is there? Okay. So basically, ionization is basically like sodium wants to lose one electrons, but the negativity is like, for example, we'll take one example. If you are having a habit of laziness, or you sleep a lot, okay, and you want to remove that habit, so you might have pain, you need energy. Okay, I will not sleep, and then you will slap yourself. Or I'll not sleep. I'll not sleep. Like this, you will do, na. So in the same way, sodium wants to remove the negativity from it. So for that, he needs energy also. Even though he wants to become a more stable, but still he wants to remove the negativity, the negative electron from it. So the ionization of sodium means the energy which is required to remove the electron. It doesn't mean that chlorine is in atmosphere and sodium is in atmosphere. Oh, we will give one electron to you, and like this. No, it won't be like that. Okay, they need some energy. So this is called as ionization of sodium. Means the sodium, which is Na, the ionization means the formation of ions, which is Na plus 1. He needs an energy of 496 kilojoule per mole. Like, understood? Yes or no? Okay. So you can understand it like this. Each sodium atom is surrounded by chlorine atom by six, like 6 and 6. Like sodium atom surrounded six chlorine atoms surrounded by one sodium atom. So like this, there is a formation of that. Okay. Now this will be considered as Mg plus 2. Okay. Now I have to remove this thing. Put an heading as Lewis dot structure. Put a heading Lewis dot structure. Now this is very important examination point of view. Okay. Now don't write. Okay. Now if they ask you to draw the Lewis dot structure of MgCl2. Okay. If they ask you to draw the structure of MgCl2, which is magnesium chloride. Okay. Now please pay attention. Don't write anything. So first of all, how we have to write the answer? So first of all, we will talk about Mg. So the atomic number of Mg is 12. So it means the number of electron will be also 12. And if we will write the configuration of this, it becomes 2, 8, 2, in which in K shell 2 will be there, in L shell 8 will be there, in M shell 2 will be there. Okay. Now Mg needs to remove 2 electrons to become octet. So Mg has two options: either to take 6 electrons, either to give 2 electrons. So what Mg will do? Mg will release his 2 electron. Don't write, okay? Mg will become Mg plus 2 because he wants to remove 2 electron to become octet state when he will release his 2 electron. Understand it like this? 2 electron is there. Mg wants to remove 2 electron to become Mg plus 2, which is more stable state. Understood, guys? Yes or no? Now, in the same way, chlorine. Chlorine atomic number is 17. Then the number of electron will also be 17. So the configuration is gonna be like this: 2, 8, 7. In K shell, 2 will be there. In L shell, 8 will be there. In M shell, 7 will be there. So now chlorine wants only one electron. Now listen, guys. Chlorine will become, when chlorine get one electron, it will become chlorine minus one, which is more stable state. Now listen, guys. Okay, Mg is giving how many electrons? 2 electrons. And chlorine is only receiving 1 electron. Okay. If they will form bond, they will not be stable because chlorine will become stable. Chlorine will only need 1 electron. But Mg is saying, I want to give 2 electrons. It's not fair. So what chlorine will do? Chlorine will call his brother. He will say, hey brother, one more come now. Like 2 electrons we are getting to become more stable. So what chlorine will do? He will call his two chlorine will come. One chlorine and second chlorine to get 2 electrons, one chlorine each to become 2 chlorine negative mine. Understood? Sir? Why I did this? Because Mg is giving 2 electrons and chlorine is only receiving 1 electron. 1 electron is left. So for that 1 electron, he called his another brother to become 2 electron be satisfied with the magnesium. So what will happen? What will happen? This Mg is giving 2 electron to chlorine. So chlorine outermost shell has 7 electrons. This also has 7 electrons. So 1 electron will go with this and 1 electron will go with this. Okay, to form Mg plus 2. Okay, Mg plus 2 and chlorine 2 minus, making compound Mg. No, it plus 2 and 2 chlorine minus, making compound MgCl. Now this is called as Lewis dot structure. Okay, this is called as Lewis dot structure. Like when they will ask you to form the Lewis dot structure, you have to draw it like. Understood, guys? Yes or no?
So the dots only represent the outermost shell, right?
Yeah, dot is representing the outermost shell. Like in this outermost shell has 2 electrons, I make 2 electrons. In this, the outermost shell represents 7 electrons. So I make 7 electrons. Why 2 chlorine? Because Mg is giving 2 electrons. Yes or no? Everyone understood? Guys, did you understand? Quickly write it down. Yeah, quickly write it down. Good, Joshua. Joshua, when you joined the class, do you know the date? Do you know the date when you joined the class? I guess nearly about 20, but still, you tell me.
21st, sir.
21st, no? Okay.
So what part of this, what part do we have to draw when they ask the question?
They can ask you a question like this: draw the Lewis draw structure of aluminum oxide. They can ask you draw the Lewis draw structure of sodium chloride. So you have to draw it like this, like sodium. Then you have to show this reaction which happens, this thing and this. You have to make whole this thing and then this thing. Understood? Okay, done. So we'll end here only. So I hope you enjoyed the class. Okay. And please, there is a one homework in science which I want to give. Draw the Lewis draw structure of aluminum oxide. This is your homework question. Draw the, if it is possible, just draw after this class so that the concept will be remembered for a long. If it is possible, if it is not possible, then it's okay. Of Al2O3, which is called as aluminium oxide. So whatever you are getting, just implement it, and then on Monday we will do it again. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed the class. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. Signing off. Tata. Bye bye. Sayonara.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.